It's that time of year again. Lots of lights. A great many lights. Lights everywhere. 58 watt street lighting lamp and that light. Bunch of big lamps. And some not big ones. Those are 40 watt GLS lamps. 327 watt street lighting, 500 watt GLS. Usual 25 watt GLS or vacuum filled GLS lamps in the chicken house light towers, so that they can get rained on. Problem is because of the very heavy rain this year, we're not going to be able to make 20 kilowatt mark, and also some of the generators aren't working properly, which sucks. I'll probably do a big generator testing for Earth Day. Heck on wood. And 100 watt GLS lamp. It's rubbish Indonesian Philips. But I have a number of them, so I figure if they inadvertently get broken setting this thing up, it isn't too big of a loss, because these generally have service lives of crap in my experience. I had some Indonesian Econowatt lamps in one of the chicken houses when we first built it. They probably made maybe 30 hours, probably more like 20. They're 1,000 hour rated lamps at least, I think. Somewhere between 1,000 hours and 2,000 hours inclusive. Of course, then again, Philips has really pissed the quality of their lamps downhill in recent years, because I've got a bunch of 57 watt Polish made ones, and so far in my experience they typically last about 50 hours. They're supposed to last 1,000. But, and again, they're really pushing all this LED rubbish, which are really useful in niche applications where they make sense, but in many applications they don't. But since one of the Greens ever cared about little things like making sense. Just about Earth hour, we got all those guys going. 25 watt reflectors, 40 watt globes, 33 watt sign, 150 watt GLS, 40 watt GLS, 65 watt reflectors, hideously long life 40 watt GLS, 60 watt GLS, 72 watt halogen, 4 lamp F40T12 linear fluorescent light, proper magnetic ballast, as you can see by the banding artifact. 100 watt roof surface, 30 watt reflector, 45 watt reflector, 60 watt globe, 45 watt reflector, 30 watt, 70 watt, 100 watt 3-way lamp on the highest setting, 60 watt TB19 lamp, bunch of 5 watt candelabra lamps, 67 watt traffic signal lamp, 7 watt candelabra in there, 57 watt halogen, and 40 watt GLS with a 4 watt lamp there, 57 watt GLS, 52 watt GLS, 2 watt GLS lamps there, 2 40 watt and 2 60 watt GLS lamps, 40 watt GLS lamps, magnetically ballasted 2 lamp F40T12 light, 2 fluorescent lights, both magnetically ballasted, dual lamp 20 watt and 40 watt, 60 watt GLS, dual lamp magnetically ballasted F40T12 light, 40 watt GLS, 22 watt circ line magnetically ballasted, 40 watt GLS, 40 watt GLS, 40 watt GLS, 2 45 watt halogens, 30 watt, 70 watt, 100 watt 3-way lamp on the highest setting, 25 watt GLS, long life 25 watt GLS, 40 watt GLS, 25 watt GLS, 20 watt magnetically ballasted fluorescent, 37 watt GLS, 60 watt halogen, 30 watt reflector, 33 watt sign, 52 watt GLS, 35 watt GLS, 2 watt 20,000 hour GLS, 1 wet cat, which is why not doing a whole bunch of outside stuff aside from what's in buildings or under some kind of cover. 58 watt street lighting lamp, 175 watt high pressure mercury, and some other lights in the garage. 340 watt GLS lamp, 327 watt street lighting lamp, 11 watt GLS, and 400 watt metal halide, And a whole bunch of 100 watt GLS lamp with a 60 watt GLS lamp. 40 watt linear fluorescent, 30 start magnetic, bunch more 100 watt GLS lamps, 20 watt linear fluorescent magnetically ballasted, and a whole lot of rain. 90 watt halogen, two 45 watt halogens, 40 watt GLS, two 45 watt PAR38 halogens, 40 watt linear fluorescent, 75 watt roof service, 40 watt lamp, 50 watt roof service, 60 watt garage door vibration service lamp, World War II vintage F40 T12 linear fluorescent lamp, a linear fluorescent light, still with the original 70-year-old ballast, 30 watt T8 preheat light, preheat magnetic, and 60 watt 20,000 hour GLS lamp, and 60 watt GLS, watt GLS, and 25 watt GLS one of the chicken houses. 3 25 watt vacuum GLS lamps in one of the chicken house light towers. Other light tower, which autofocus is wigging out on for some reason. 50 watt vacuum fill oven lamp and a bunch of PAR38s. Another 25 watt vacuum GLS lamp, got a bunch of them out here because due to the low envelope operating temperatures they won't burst in rain. Oven lamp. And of course, 1000 watt GLS. And almost forgot about this guy, but didn't knock on wood. 65 watt reflector.